We're in the kitchen at Second Harvest here in Spokane, Washington, and we are getting ready to taste some wonderful food. And of course, I have my co-tasters with me today. I have Chef Laurent Zarate. Thank you for being here.
Good to see you, Christy and Thomas.
My co-host, Tomas Guzman.
Here we are
yes,
again.
Yes, I know.
Back
it's so
at
fun. And this time, you have developed some of the recipes that we're tasting.
That's exciting.
Which is awesome. Yeah.
We have such a hard job, right? Tasting food and enjoying each other.
And our food this time, you know, all around the world, right?
Yeah, all around the world.
Yeah.
Getting the chance to visit Mexico City and Vietnam. That was a true treat.
And you could see I had a lot of fun grocery shopping with Derek.
Yes, even though you had a mishap in the grocery store.
Yeah.
You bet, my pleasure. Thank you.
Thanks for letting me drive the cart.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Okay?
What happened?
It must have rolled out here.
What happened?
That, get on camera?
Oh my God. Just shattered.
Yeah.
All over the
And she hadn't been drinking that day.
Well, had not been drinking.
Yeah. It's neat to see the way different countries approach food and their processes.
And being in a grocery store, that's like one of my favorite places to go in a foreign country.
Yes.
And you're just like, I don't know what this is, but I'm going to try it. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to try it. Today, we're going to be making
empanadas.
Empanadas.
And an unusual one, we're going to make it sweet.
Okay.
Because of the apple.
And so empanadas, I can see why you would make them sweet because they are kind of like little mini pies, right?
Mini pie that you can snack on. You make a lot and you snack all day with those.
I like that idea.
Yeah, you get you? Yes.
All right, well, let's see what our wonders in the kitchen are doing. We have Wagrown and Second Harvest folks in the kitchen making this for us. Let's see how you do it. Okay, here we go. Apple-filled empanadas. I love empanadas. Yeah. You could put anything in them and I would love them.
You'll see that a little trick, easy to do the circle. Use a tortilla press. Instead of rolling them, just a tortilla press works great.
This is a great base, so you can add all sorts of stuff. You could really just experiment and make it your own.
Of course,
what would you do if you were going to make a savory empanada? What would be like one of your favorite things?
Maybe some shredded chicken with some corn, some beans, a little bit of cumin. Make it a little more, South American.
And if you don't want apple, you could do a berry or something like that.
I'm sorry, I'm eating.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to take another bite. If you want to find these recipes, go to wagrown.com because that's the only place you're going to find them.
That's right.
The only place.
I'm going there after the show.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's apple empanadas, visit us at wagrown.com.